The sniper trade of the day for August 5th, 2026 was an opportunity trade that started in the usual way and then really didn't go anywhere until a news announcement in the afternoon. This is in Google. This is the double leverage Google ETF. At one, you see the box, which is the daily range from yesterday. Um, these are 10-minute charts. And at two, you see the last 30 minutes of the day closing above the VWAP. At three was the gap open, and the green box is the 10-minute opening range bar. Tried getting short in there. It mucked around, ended up scratching, micro loss, didn't do much. At five, the RL10 peaked and rolled over, and just kind of drifted till about six when there was a news announcement which said that they had replaced the head of their AI department. Market didn't like that. Put it, it started dropping like a stone. So we got short when it made a new low of the day, broke below the 30-minute close, and broke below yesterday's VWAP was another indicator that this could fail in a big way. So we put $1 risk on it, dropped like a stone, added a second position at 8. At 9, in 20, 30 minutes, it had dropped that far and then started to rebound off the intraday low. So we slapped the retained 70% of the gains of the first position on. So if we entered here and the maximum favorable excursion was at 9, uh, a retracement of 30% from that, we want to retain 70% of the gains, and we're willing to give it 30% of the room to continue to fail. It did not, so we just cashed that one there for about a 10-hour trade. And then the rest of the day just kind of mucked around sideways. And because there was a significant distance between the close and the VWAP for the day, that's a sign for that to be in play for tomorrow. So that was the sniper trade of the day in Google. That's the 2x. The GGLL is the 2x single stock note on Google. And Kennett Tortoise Capital, keep your risk measured and powder dry.